It's a story Action 7 News brought you first. A Vietnam veteran collapsed in the cafeteria of the VA hospital and waited 15 minutes for an ambulance.
Now Target 7 has obtained the policy that the VA says is under review. Reporter Kirsten Swanson joins us live to explain what staff are supposed to do in this kind of emergency.
Doug and Shelley, this 6-page memo went into effect in September 2010. It specifically details that staff are required to provide CPR and medical attention to patients that have medical emergencies that happen inside the VA. But what it does say is that if that patient isn't in a specific building, they can't help. This is a small badge VA employees carry with them. It briefly explains what this 6-page policy says on starting CPR on anyone who needs help at the Albuquerque VA complex. The blue chart lists out 6 building numbers. Those buildings are within the Code Blue response area. You can see them identified on this map of the complex. If something happens in one of those buildings, staff can start CPR right away. Then the patient can be transferred to get more help. But look closely. The badge includes separate instructions on what to do if something happens not in one of those 6 buildings. Staff call 911. That's what happened last week when a veteran collapsed after having a heart attack in the cafeteria, which is not on the Code Blue list. So 71-year-old Jim Garcia had to wait for nearly 15 minutes for an ambulance. The ambulance drove him 500 yards around the main hospital building to the emergency room, but it was too late. He died. Jim Garcia's family says they're not ready to speak out on camera to Action 7 News just yet, but that they want answers from the VA as to why, if Garcia was at the hospital, he wasn't rushed to get help right away. The Vietnam veteran went down to the cafeteria while waiting for test results. Those close to Garcia say his health wasn't the best, but that they certainly didn't expect this.
We weren't surprised that something like that could happen, but still took everyone kind of by surprise.
A spokesperson with the VA did reach out to Target 7 today and say that Garcia did receive help from staff right away. They began giving him CPR and basic life support. They followed procedure and did exactly what they were supposed to, according to the policy. Reporting live in Albuquerque, Kirsten Swanson, KOAT Action 7 News.
And that policy on emergency response expires in April 2017. This just in, Albuquerque